What is going on, guys? Overdrive7 here. I love collecting Hot Wheels Monster Jam, Spin Master Monster Jam, anything I can find that's unique. But when I started, the trucks looked like this. They were smaller, kind of scale, smaller wheels on these big Hot Wheels cards, and they had the back with all the available trucks you could get. Most of these were just like renders, but these were peak. I was into these before Hot Wheels, and they got me into, I think, automotive, collecting in general and being into cars and trucks. So shout out Monster Jam and Hot Wheels. So Big Dog, this is one I've never found. It's got that old yellow logo. I think this is 2001, 2002. But I wanted to pick this up. It's number 22. Trying to find as many of these original couple years as I can. And it kind of hurts to open them up because I think these are going to be valuable sooner than later, but I keep them in good shape once they're open. Here we go. I love unearthing these in the box for 20 plus years. Nice die-cast body. I've never even seen this truck perform. Glossy sidewalls for the tires. Never been out of the box this whole time. Very cool. I'll have to do an updated Monster Jam collection video. We did one many years ago, and it's almost doubled in that time, with many old and new trucks. Interesting one. I think I've passed it by a few times when I had to pick as a kid for like money purposes, just because it's a regular pickup body, but those are the ones I appreciate more often these days. But Big Dog from 2002. I'll continue posting more of these as I find them. But happy hunting. And yeah, I love this 90s, 2000s stuff. You're noticing this channel, half the videos are nostalgic from that time. It's fun to see stuff from this era. Have a good one, guys. Bye.